We are continuing the solution of C12 May-June 2017 IAL paper requested by Shen 3rd May. Question number 6 is, the figure shows a flower bed. This is a triangular garden. This is a flower bed. The length B is 10, BC is 6, CA is 12, D is a point lie on AC such that BD is an arc of a circle with center A and radius 10. So this is the arc of a circle. So if this is 10, this is also 10. So CD is going to be 2. Find the size of BAC. We have to find this angle. So this side is 10, this side is 12, and this is 6. We have to find this angle. So we can write cos A is equal to, the adjacent sides are, this is 12 square plus 10 square minus this is opposite 6 square over 2 multiplied 12 multiplied 10. So that is 144 plus 100, 244 minus 6, 208. 12 times 2 is 24, multiplied 10 is 240. So A is equal to cos inverse 208 over 240. So that is equal to 0.522314, but we have to write up to 4 places of decimal. So 5223148. There's no need to write this. So this is the value of angle A in radian. This is part A. Now part B is, find the perimeter of this flower bed. So perimeter of this flower bed is, this will be BC plus CD plus BD. BD is an arc and we know L is equal to R theta. So BC is 6, CD is 2, and BD is R theta. R is 10 and theta is 0.5223. So that is 6 plus 2 plus this is 5.223. We have to write to 2 places. So 5.23. So that is equal to 6 into 8, 10, 3, 13.23 meter. That is the perimeter of the flower bed. Part C. Find the area of the flower bed BCD. BCD. To find this area, we have to calculate the area of triangle minus area of this sector. So the area of flower bed is equal to area of triangle. Definitely a triangle is bigger, minus area of this sector. So the area of flower bed area of this triangle. We know area of triangle is half AB sine C. Here BC sine A. So that is half BC sine A. Area of sector is half r square theta. We know this thing. So half B is 12. B or C is 12 or 10. Sine 0.5223. We know all these values. Minus half. R square is 10 square. And theta is 0.5223. So if you calculate this, you will get it 29.932 minus, this is by 152 divided by 52.23 divided by 2 is 29.2053 is 50 to 26.116. So that is 3.186. Up to 2 places of decimal is 3.19 meter square. So that is the answer. This figure shows a sketch of part of the curve with equation y is equal to fx. The curve crosses y-axis at the point 0,8. Line with equation y is equal to 10 is the only asymptote to the curve. The curve has a single turning point 2,5. State the coordinate of minimum point of the curve with the equation y is equal to, this is fx and the minimum point is 2 and 5. Now we have to write the minimum point for f x over 4. Always remember two types, afx and fax, the transformation. This transformation affect x-axis, this transformation affect y-axis. Similarly, fx plus a affect y-axis and fx plus a affect x-axis. Always remember this. So this one is inside the bracket, so it is going to affect x-axis only, y-axis will remain same. Now this, if it is 2x, you divide it by 2. This is 1 over 4, so you divide 2 by 1 over 4. So this will be 8 and 5. So these will be the coordinates of minimum points of fx over 4, if this is the transformation. For this type of question, always remember this is the key, whether graph is moving in this direction or the graph is moving in up or down direction. If we say y is equal to fx plus 3 or any number, you can say that y is directly increased by 3. It means the graph will move 3 points up. If it is minus 3, it means graph will move down. Now if the graph is fx plus 3, if you equate this x plus 3 is equal to 0, so you will get x is equal to minus 3. So in that case, graph will move in the negative direction of 3. So you must remember all this for make the graph. Now the second part is part B is state the equation of asymptote to the curve with the equation y is equal to fx minus c. Now this is the example. Y is equal to, part B is y is equal to fx minus 3. Now if you see in this graph, y is equal to minus 3 means y is decreasing directly by 3. This is 8, this is 10, so this will be y is equal to 7. State the equation of the asymptote to the curve this. So this is state where y is equal to 7. And the curve will come here. He's not asking for the curve, but if the whole of this will be shifted like that way. Now the next part is the curve y is equal to fx meet. Part C is y is equal to k. This is a line. K is a constant at two distinct points. State the possible values of k. Now see, if I draw any line, what are the possibilities that it is going to cross this curve at two places? This one is crossing at one place. This one is crossing at two places. This one is, you can say, at two places. This line is crossing at two places, but what about if this line is here? It will cross at one place only. So any line you can see that is from here up to here only. Two places. So that is from 5 to 10. So where k is a constant at 2, so state the possible values of k. So k must be greater than 5 and less than 10. That is a possibility. Otherwise it will not cross at 2 points. It will cross at 1 point only. Sketch the curve with the equation y is equal to. Now this is another example, y is equal to minus fx. Let me clean this and let me show you on the same curve. Now we have y is equal to fx, the coordinate 0, 8, 2, 5. Let's talk about these two coordinates. So y is equal to minus fx. Is it going to affect what? I told you afx is going to this type of mapping of the curve is going to affect x-axis or y-axis. This is going to affect y-axis. Always remember this. So this is negative. So this will become -8 and this will become -5, and it will remain the same. So now we have to check the points 0, -8. So 0, -8 may be here. 2, 5, it will be 2, -5. It will be here. So the equation will be, the graph will be this is this, this is this, and this is 10. So somehow the graph will be, this is the graph. In fact, it is a mirror image in x-axis. The opposite is mirror image in a y-axis. Question number 8. Find, so this is integral, I can write it at 3x squared dx plus 4 x dx minus 15 dx. So this will be 3, this is plus 1 over, so this is 3 over 3 plus 4, x is power is 1, so 1 plus 1, x square over 2 minus 15, 1 is, that is x, and plus c. So it will be x cubed plus 2x square minus 15x plus c. That is the answer of part A. Now part B is a constant, and this is equal to 36. Show that b cube plus 2b square plus, now we have the limit b to 4, 3x square plus 4x minus 15. This is equal to 36. Its integral is x cubed plus 2x square minus 15x. Now this is definite, so there is no c. The upper is 4 and lower is b is equal to 36. So first we put the value of x as 4. This is 4 cube plus 2 multiply 4 square minus 15 multiply 4 minus b cube minus 2b square minus 15b is equal to 36. So this is 64 plus 32 minus 60 minus b cube plus 2b square minus 15b is equal to 36. This is 64 minus 60 is 4. 4 plus 32 is 36 minus b cube plus 2b square minus 15b is equal to 36. 36 and 36 cancel, so b cube minus 2b square plus 15, this was minus and minus, this was plus, so this was minus, 2b is plus, 2b is also minus minus plus, 1 minute, this is a plus, so this is a plus, and after plus this has become, after opening the bracket it has become negative. The same way this one is negative and this one is positive. So this is, now change the sign, PQ, this is negative and this one become negative. That is equal to 0. And that is what we are supposed to prove. There's the good thing with the question to be proved, that if you do a mistake, it is easy to identify the mistakes. Hence find the possible values of B. So now the possible values of B is, that is part C. So we have B common, B square plus 2B minus 15 is equal to 0. 5 times 3 is 15. So let's say B square plus B square plus 5B. 5B minus 3B is 2B minus 15 is equal to 0. So B common, B plus 5 minus 1 common minus 3 common, B plus 5 is equal to 0. So this is B plus 5 and B minus 3. So this indicates that B is equal to minus 5 0 and 3. So that's the answer of part C. Question number 9. Find the exact value. Whenever they say exact value, it means there is a sign of root in the answer. So it means it is going to be a quadratic equation, most probably. Now this is 2 log, so we can write 2 here. We can remove 2 from here. This is a minus, so it can be written as log 10 x minus 2 square divide by, because this is log a minus log b is log a over b, x plus 5 is equal to, this is log 10 log 1 base 10 is 0. So we remove the log, take anti-log. So now we have x plus 2 square is equal to x plus 5. So x square, this is minus, this is not, this thing is negative, x square minus 4x plus 2 square is 4 minus x minus 5 is equal to 0. So this is x square minus x minus 4x is minus 5x plus 4 minus 5 is minus 1 is equal to 0. It's talking about exact value, so let's use formula straight away. So this is A, this is B, and this is C. So formula for x is minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac over 2a. So let's use this value. X is equal to minus b is minus 5 plus minus 5 square is 25 minus 4, a is 1 and c is negative 1 over 2, a is 1. So x will be, so x is 5 plus minus 29 over 2. So that is the value of x, 5 plus minus root 29 over 2. Part B is log p. So this is log, this is second part, log base p 4y plus 1. The same rule we are going to apply here, divided by 2y minus 2 is equal to log 1. So we have to write in the same way. Log p base p is 1. For example, the rule is log a base a is 1. If the number and the base is same, it is 1. Means a to the power 1 is a, p to the power 1 is p, the same way. So for the antilog it will be 4y plus 1 is equal to p 2y minus 2. 4y plus 1 is equal to 2 py minus 2p. We have to find y in terms of p. So 4y minus 2py is equal to minus 2p minus 1. We take y common. So this is 4 minus 2p, y is equal to minus 2p minus 1. So y is equal to minus 2p minus 1 over 4 minus 2p. You can write it right like this. This is the correct answer. If you want to take negative common, it will be 2p plus 1, and this will be 2p minus 4. P is greater than 2, yes, and y is greater than 1 is correct. So this is the answer of part 2. This is the value of y in terms of p. Find the first three term in the ascending power of x. So this I can write as 2 is to the power 10, 1 minus x over 16 is to the power 10. I have taken 2 common. You can expand it just like that. So there is no problem. So it is 2 is to the power 10. First 3 terms. So 1 plus 10 over factorial 1 minus x over 16 is to the power 1 plus 10 multiply 9 over factorial 2 minus x over 16 is to the power 2. So these are the first 2 terms. 2 is to the power 10 is 1024. This is 1 plus, this is a minus. So it will be, this is 10 over 16. So it can be written as 5 over 8x. This is square, so plus. This is 10 times 9 divided by 16 multiply 16 by 2. So that is going to be, this is 90, this cancel it by 5. 5 times 9 is 45x square over 256. And so on. So now multiply it, 1024 minus 1024 divided by 8 multiplied by 5 is going to be 640x and plus 180x square. So these are the first 3 terms in the expansion of this. Part B. if fx is this, so this is 1024 minus 640x plus 180 x square multiplied by a. So it will be 1024a minus 640 ax plus 180 ax square plus bx also, plus bx 1024 minus 640x plus 180x square. So 1024 bx, so we can write here 1024 bx, 640 bx square minus 640 bx square, and so on. We don't need so many values because in this expansion we only need these terms. So now we have 1024a minus, sorry, this is not 1204, this is a 1024. So this is minus 640a plus 1024b if I take this negative out, I have to write this also as negative. So this will also be negative x plus other terms. Now it's saying this term is equal to 256 and this term is equal to 352. 1024a is equal to 256. So a is equal to 256 over 1024. So that is 1 over 4. So the value of a is 1 over 4. Now for the part B, minus 640a plus 1024b is equal to 352. You have to be careful about these two signs. Minus 640 a is 1 over 4 plus 1024b is equal to 352. So 640 divided by 4, so minus 160 plus 1024b is equal to 352. So 1024b is equal to 352 plus 160. So that is equal to 1024 b is equal to, so b is equal to 512 over 1024. So that is 1 over 2. So the value of b is 1 over 2. That's what we were supposed to show. Find the value of b and find the value of a.